Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, click on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and search for %temp%. Open the folder that appears in the results and delete all of the files that are being displayed. Then, skip the files that cannot be deleted and close it. After that, go to the search bar again and search for %appdata%. Now, go back one step and access local folder. Locate Roblox, delete it, and open your PC settings. Go to the Apps tab, search for Roblox, and uninstall it completely. Now open any type of preferred browser, go to this Roblox website and download it from here. Then go to the download folder and install the app by running the installer. And that's how you can fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.